Hey guys, happy Halloween. Today I'm gonna be doing Halloween makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look, but this is a last minute Halloween look. I'm gonna be using a pore filler on my face to act as primer for today, and next I'm gonna be spraying my face using the glow mist just to give my makeup some glow underneath my makeup, or give me some glow underneath my makeup. And I'm gonna be using the foundation, and I'm applying the foundation using a beauty sponge. This foundation, apparently this is way lighter than my skin tone, but we're gonna make it work, and it's best, or it's perfect for the kind of look we're going for. And I'm gonna blend that using my beauty sponge, spread it all over on my face. And moving on to highlighter, to concealer, I'm gonna be using a light concealer to conceal the areas of my face where I want to highlight underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead as well. And I'm gonna blend that using the other side of the beauty sponge. The beauty sponge I used earlier to blend my foundation, that's what I'm gonna be using to blend that out. For cream blush, I'm gonna be using this all-time favorite cream blush I normally use, and I'm taking this red tone shade of blush, and I'm going to use my beauty sponge again to apply that on my face, in the areas of my face where I usually apply blush. And moving on to concealer, I'm gonna go in with a second layer of concealer to highlight my under eye area, just to give me a brightened under eye look. I'm also gonna be blending my under eye, the concealer, using the same beauty sponge I used. Guys, I've been using this beauty sponge a lot for this makeup tutorial. Yeah, it is multi-purpose, hence I'm gonna be using that on my face to blend the concealer as well. To set my under eye area, I'm going to be using a setting powder to set my under eye. I'm using a brush to set my under eye, and I'm going to lightly press that in to set my eye, to set the cream product underneath my eye, because we don't want the concealer to move, or we don't want the cream products to move. I'm also gonna go into contour my face. I'm using a powder contour. I didn't use any cream contour or liquid contour, so I'm gonna be using a powder contour to contour my face, the hollows of my face, my forehead, and I'm going to quickly blend that out all together. To set my cream blush, I'm going to use this all-time favorite powder blush of mine, and I'm going to set my cream blush so the product does not move. If you know cream products, if you don't set it properly, it's going to move, and we don't want that. To bake my under eye, to cash out the eyeshadow fallout, I'm going to be using a light powder. This is translucent powder, and I love this powder. It's finely milled. I'm going to use that to set my under eye area, to bake my under eye, to cash out the eyeshadow fallout. For eyeshadow today, this is where the look comes in. So I'm gonna be using eyeshadow, this one from Focalo, and I'm playing in with a lot of shades in this look, so I'm using that to draw like a liner connecting to my crease. So this is just giving me like the illusion of a cat eye look, and I'm gonna be blending that with a small precise pencil brush, giving me like an angle, like the illusion of a winged liner, something. And next I go in with liner that is ox blood or something, and I'm going to line my crease area just to give me that, just to define or accentuate the winged liner we created. And to diffuse that, I'm going to go in with the darkest shade from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm also going to be using another eyeshadow brush to define the liner to define what we just created, to intensify the liner and to give us a bit more depth. With this look, especially with the eye makeup, is just all going back and forth with the eyeshadow we used earlier, going over with the eyeshadow colors or shades we used earlier and from the beginning, just to intensify and to add more depth or definition to the eye look. So you can watch closely to see how I defined the eye look, because part of what is gonna bring this makeup all together is the eye look. I'm going to move on to cutting my crease. It's been long I did a cut crease, so this is actually looking a bit difficult, cutting the crease, but we have to do that to define the liners or the darker shade we just placed. And next I'm going to use this flesh toned, neutral toned shade from this eyeshadow to set the concealer we just placed for the cut crease. And moving on, I'm going to go back into the same eyeshadow palette and playing back with the exact same colors I used earlier, just to define the eyeshadow again, because we did cut our crease and we don't want to lose the shades or the colors we placed right there. This eye look actually took a lot of time. It's a lot of steps going back and forth in with the eyeshadow shades, is to intensify and to give this eye look a defined or more definition to this eye look. When you're doing this, it might not be as difficult as this is, just so you can easily follow through. And next I'm going to use a mascara from Maybelline on my natural lashes, and moving on to highlighter, I'm going to place the highlighter in the areas of my face where I usually place highlight: the bridge of my nose, my cheekbone, and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to use a black lipstick to define my lips. Going over with a red lipstick. I think the red lipstick is also part of it that will bring back this makeup look all together. At this point, I was just making sure that the red lipstick gives what this makeup is supposed to give. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, you guys name this look whatever you want to name it. I don't have a name for this makeup. This is just a last minute Halloween makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and check out my other videos.